Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to look at a couple different deals, stacking boosters at Walgreens. Lots of great deals, and we have one even without bacon. If you could do me a huge kindness and just give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps out with the channel and all that magic. If you could just take a quick second and like this video, I would be forever grateful. First piece of business I'd like to talk about is these candy bars that were 29 cents. Here are the two UPCs of the two different flavors I was picking up for 29 cents. Now, I will let you know a lot of the newer candy that's in the display, it's ringing up full price, and a lot of us are having that issue. I think they changed the UPC or packaging, or they might have changed an ingredient, thus they need a new UPC for the item. So something is up. So definitely ask for that price check before you try to get your free candy going for you. A lot of you are still getting it, and a lot of you are having the same issues as I, where it's like a reset, where it's like full price because of a different UPC. But these are the UPCs that I had from last week. Okay, guys, a lot of us received a booster that's valid from Thursday to Saturday, and many of you received this one of $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $1. We'll look into that a little bit more. It's a your mileage may vary, meaning not every account gets the same booster. I certainly didn't get this one. One of my subscribers did. But definitely go through your digital coupons folder. It should be listed at the top and load it right away, and we'll talk about this later in the week. Okay guys, so for this first deal, we have three different boosters: a paper, a 7 back when you spend 25 in beauty, and the 10 back when you spend 30 in a general basket. Now, the top right-hand corner one actually expires on Wednesday, so you have all of today and all of Wednesday if you wish to do this exact deal. And then just to show you the fine print, as you can see, it expires on the 5th. Okay, so for this first basket, we're just going to grab a hodgepodge of items, and then I'm going to augment it for the second one if you do not like bacon, or if you don't want to do the bacon deal, or if you can't find any bacon. But this is the first deal. We're grabbing 2 of the CoverGirl face creams, 2 Dawns, and then 2 bacons. And believe it or not, this is $40. As we're using that spend 40, get back 9, the paper booster, that's why the basket has to be at that cost. So let's just go through what I grabbed. The first item is 2 of these beauty, it's found in the beauty section, and they are CoverGirl face creams. I was about to call it L'Oreal. And if you see where the arrow is, it's actually where all the foundation is. So do not look for this where they have like the lotion and skincare. You're going to look for this where they have the makeup specifically. And then if you look right here, there it is. Boom, right in the store. And these are on a buy one, get one 50% off this week. And we have some digital coupons that are attaching. The first one is this $10 off, so that's a really valuable one. And then we also have a $3 off. Grabbing 2 of these, that's going to be $29.98. The spend 25, get 7 back in beauty. This is part of it, so you can line that up perfectly. We are also going to grab 2 of these bacons, and they are 2 for $8. Find them at the very bottom of coolers over at Walgreens. They keep them on a bottom shelf. I've noticed that. And this IBOTTA rebate has reset for me now twice, and it's $2 back on each pack. So it just makes the bacon super uber cheap. And then the final thing to get the basket right to $40, we're going to grab 2 of these Dawn dish soaps. And when you buy 2, you get back a $1 register reward, and it printed for me. Okay, so looking at this, 2 of those CoverGirl lotions, $29.98, 2 Dawn for $2.48, and 2 Oscar Mayer bacons for $8, for a grand total of $40.46. Get the cashier to scan your 9 back when you spend $40, and have the 2 boosters loaded of 7 back when you spend $25 on beauty, and then 10 back when you spend $30 on just general merchandise. We also have $13 in digital manufacturers coming off, and that's all for the CoverGirl products. With your debit card, pay $27.46, and then you're getting back $26 in Walgreens cash for all of those boosters that we showed you, plus a $1 register reward for the Dawn, plus $4 back from IBOTTA for those bacons, making this free, plus a $3.54 moneymaker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using those goofy boosters. Now, if you don't even have that IBOTTA rebate, it's just basically going to make this basket like 50 cents. So still a really good deal, one that I would do. look at this basket in a different way. If you do not want that bacon, or if you just don't like bacon, we're just going to augment the basket a little differently. 2 of those CoverGirls, 2 Dawn dish soaps, 1 candy bar that's not attached to any sort of IVC, just a candy bar on its own, and then 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Remember, we need 1 paper booster, and then the 10 back when you spend 30, and then the 7 back when you spend 25 on cosmetics. Now, those digital boosters, I want to let you know as well, they are of a one-time use, so if you were out using them earlier in the week, they are a one and done, just to note that. Now, we're also going to just change this basket up, so we're going to grab that candy bar, let's not forget, or something for $1. Plus, we're also going to grab 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Look at that price point, 3 for $12. That's really expensive. And we're going to load this digital coupon, which is the $3.25 off of 2. We're also going to have our $13 in CoverGirl digitals also loaded. Okay, so the math for this basket, 2 of those CoverGirl lotions is $29.98. 2 Dawns for $2.48, and then 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $6.58. And then a candy, make sure you grab one without an IVC because you don't want your basket to dip below 40. The total for all of this is $40.04. And get the cashier to scan your booster, 9 back when you spend 40, the e-booster of 7 when you spend 25 on beauty, and then 10 when you spend 30 on general merchandise. We also have $16.25 in digitals coming off right there. So with your debit card, pay $23.79, get $26 back in Walgreens cash, plus the dollar register reward for the Dawn, making this free, plus a $3.21 moneymaker. This is a very good deal, just for some meat and potato stuff for your house, a little bit of lotion. Fantastic. Remember, as you're using those 3 boosters, do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess everything up. Okay, so before we leave Walgreens, the Complete Home bags, freezer bags, bags for storage, however you want to use them, they're on this promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. And for the larger, storage bags, it's really fantastic. It shakes it out to 93 cents, a deal you should be doing this week. Now let's head over to Walmart for some quick little deals, and this is just clearance and just really good rebate deals. The first is with the Queen V. I think this is going to be a discontinued line at Walmart. This was 85 cents. This was $1. The wipes and then the little soap I think was $1 as well. IBOTTA is giving back $1 for each with a limit up to 5. So you're going to be getting these either for pennies or completely for free. So be on the lookout for those. And then the Finish at $4.94. There's a stacking rebates to make them very, very cheap. So you'll have to grab 2 of them. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's a $5 back when you buy 2. So please make sure you have that one loaded and you have the same rebates as I. And then coupons.com has $1.50 back for each bag. I absolutely love the coupons.com app. Like $3 back. That's amazing. So anyhow, we're still at Walmart. 2 of the Finish bags is $9.88. I believe they're the 15 counts. Make that $5 submission to IBOTTA. And then $2.50 submissions to the coupons.com app for $3 back. It shakes it out to $1.88 for the 2 or $1.06 per. A very good deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.